Hi everyone, so I'm back to share another journal with you, and this one is a design team project for Tsunami Rose, and the kit that I've used for this journal is I've got it written down. It's a prayer journal, prayer faith journal, and it's from the Florid Fancy kit. Now I believe there's two kits. There's one that's not prayer related and the one that is prayer and faith related. I will link them below. So I decided to make a little chunky mini faith Bible prayer journal. And I've got 3 signatures inside this. The journal measures 5.5 by 4 3/4. It has a 2 1/4 inch spine. 3 signatures, like I just said, 130 pages front and back. I've got this lovely kind of like tapestry type textile material that had a little bit of that left, or it was a little bit that I found in my drawer that just fit absolutely perfect. I've used a cereal box. I've even done book pages to cover the inside, and then I completely gessoed the lot and then inked it up and then covered the pages. This is a Tim Holtz metal book plate. This will be in my shop for sale if you're interested, so let's go inside. Obviously I've done all the stitching around here. Absolutely gorgeous material, feels gorgeous, gorgeous. Right, now I was a little bit slightly intimidated by this because it was a lot of purple, and I like purple, but this actually turned out really nice. Once you start throwing in your coffee dyed papers, or if you use white papers with it, really kind of toned it down for me. But of course, you know, if you like purple, you like purple. I love this now. There's certain colours just like scare me. It's not the actual kit, it was just the colours that scared me a little bit. So here we go. This is from one of the pages, and obviously because this is a mini, I printed 2 to a page to get this size. Excuse me. So this is one of the pages. I've just trimmed it down a little bit to fit onto some cardstock, which then I've put on there, and oh, my light's flickering. And then I've done the same on the back. And let's go inside. Okay, so you get pockets with the kit, so I've used them. And then I used some of the journal cards to make tags. It says, "I will walk by faith even when I cannot see." And these are from the kit as well. I'm not going to read everything because we'll be here all day. Now, these are not from the kit. I don't know why my light's flickering around. Let me just make sure that it's plugged in properly. There we go. Might not be plugged in properly. These, I know that Daisy, who's Tsunami Rose, she's got loads of like prayer journal cards. So I found some of these I already had, and I printed them out and put them in. These are some of the little embellishments that you get with the kit. Obviously I've tea dyed the papers. I think it was tea dyed. Have used some little bits from the Graphics Fairy and also the Old Design Shop. These are some of the little embellishments as well, so I've just popped that on there. I'm really sorry about my light flickering. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, something. So this is some music paper and original music paper. It's actually from a piano teaching book that I was lucky enough to get my hands on. Some lined paper there. This is the Old Design Shop, and I ran it through the bind it all, the Zutter bind it all. Here I've just made some little, these are little postcards you get with the kit, and I've just put them on cardstock and put a tab on them, and that's on there with a paper clip. And then here I have a stamp set that's got some you know, faith and believe and all that kind of stuff on it, so I used that, made some little pockets. Now I think some of these, I know it's called the Florid Fancy. I did use some of the non-prayer Bible stuff in it as well because it just works so well. It is a very large kit. I think you can buy it individually, like the the kits, the ephemera, and I think Daisy's got it all in one big bundle as well for you to buy if you wanted to buy the whole kit and caboodle. Another page from the kit. and some crocheted trim there. I made some little tucks there with some cream cardstock and just done the edge punch and some stenciling. These are not from that kit, but they're from one of Daisy's the big elements, and I can't remember which one because I just got them all in like files. This here is an envelope, which I think I might have put on upside down, but still the same thing. A little double journal card that's been gessoed in there, so it kind of feels nice. Yeah, I think I glued that one round the wrong way now that I'm looking at it, but still functional. Some more little journal cards, and I'll just pop them onto some tea-dyed cardstock with some trim here. This one's got a lovely bird and some roses. Lots of journaling space here. Again, just made some pockets. These are some of the little embellishments you get with the kit as well. It says "So will I," it's palm 148, and then here just some like kind of positive stamps that I have, and I just stamped them onto some coffee dyed cardstock. It says "Dance like no one's watching." I just thought it was kind of happy stuff, isn't it? Cheerful stuff. And this is one of Daisy's prayer cards, again not from that kit. Another page from the kit, some more tea staining, some more of the bind it all punching there. Yeah, because I think I mentioned the other day I looked at the bind it all and I can't find the rings that I had, so I'll find them eventually. Little pockets that you get with the kits. Well, they're not little, but they are because I shrunk them down a bit. This is from the kit as well. That's actually opened at the back, and that the pocket you could use as a floating pocket because it is, well, if you buy the kit, because it's designed on the other side, but obviously I've glued it down. Here is just a little, again, a little embellishment from the kit that flips there, and it says "This book belongs to." It's a stamp. A little pocket there with some of the journaling cards from the kits, and another one there. Onto the second signature. Little corner tuck here. Another journal card. Another journal card there. And another little prayer card. And again, another little embellishment. I've just glued that down. Another tag, and it just says "And the story begins." Another little embellishment, "Faith, hope, love." There's some music paper there, some lined paper, some more of the bind it all punching. Another page with some crocheted trim. Here we just have another prayer card. I made some little kind of faux envelopes with a slanted flap, or as Apollo Lemon says, the flop. I had to laugh at her the other night. I was watching her video and she was talking about meant to say the flip of the envelope, and she said the flop, and I thought that was quite cute. Another postcard from the kit, and I've just backed it onto cardstock and popped a tab on there. And then here it says "Hello Sunshine." You could, if you wanted to, use these to make little pockets. Centre of the signature, lots of journal space. Another little pocket. This is from the kit as well. Little tag there, it says "Trust." I haven't made a prayer journal or a faith prayer Bible journal in ages, and it's actually quite nice to use some of my little things that I do have. Another prayer card or journal card. Some more of that bind it all punching, lined paper, the music paper, little ticket from the kit. This flips out. This is "Smile and be happy." Another little tag that I made in there. Obviously the image is from the kit. And another tag, coffee dyed or tea dyed, and stamped "Little Moments, Big Memories." Little pocket there. It's one of the journal cards, and another journal card on a tag. And then I just made some little full envelopey kind of journal space things. Just made that word up on my own, all by myself just now. Third signature, little corner tuck there, that's from the kit. and this is from the kit, and another tag from the kit, and a prayer card. This is for a little embellishment. It says prayer warrior. Another little tag there, and here we've got pray, trust, wait, repeat. So there's lots of room for you to write in this journal. Whoops. And another little punched stenciled pocket. This is not from the kit, it's one of the big elements, and I shrunk them down obviously to fit in here. Another little dinky envelope with a double journal card. So like I said, these kits are called Florid Fancy, and oh, that's supposed to go in there, silly me. And it's from Tsunami Rose. Oh, get in. See, my patience isn't very good. Another postcard. His Mercy Rescues Me. And another little, just stamped, coffee-dyed cardstock. Says Hope. Lots of journal room. You could write something on there. A little label from the kit. Little taggy. Another journal prayer card. Jesus is essential. And you know what, the more I look at this, the more I actually love this kit, even though it scared me to start with. Thanks, Daisy. This is some music paper. Another little pocket that if you buy the kit you could use as a floating pocket. This is from one of the kits, one of the Florid kits. Another little ticket, and I think it's got little cherubs on there. Little flip here, follow your dreams. Another little tag that I made, obviously the image is from one of the kits. Make each day a story worth telling, which is a stamped tag on to your coffee dyed. And another little journal card, pocket there. Love the butterflies. I didn't add any butterflies. If there is any, they're on. There's another one. They're actually on the papers. That's another little full envelope-y type thing. Just journal space, extra journal space. And that is the back. So that is the little journal, and I love how it turned out. I love the fabric on there. Like I said, Florid Fancy Tsunami Rose. This is a guest design. No, it's not a guest design team, it's just a design team project. I don't know why I said guest. Haven't done one in ages actually. I do use a lot of Daisy stuff, and I always mention that in when I show a journal. But this is actually completely her stuff. So yeah, I'll link everything below. This will be in my shop, and if you have any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching. Bye.